UAE Worksheets. Today we're learning about double-digit addition. Addition is putting numbers together to make a bigger number. Sarah has 3 markers. She gets 2 more markers. When we add the numbers together 3 plus 2, we get 5 as the total answer. Now Sarah has 5 markers. This is an example of addition because we added numbers together to make a bigger number. Double-digit numbers are just bigger numbers with 2 numbers. A number in the ones column and the tens column. Examples of double-digit numbers are 12, 35, 49, and 78. Notice how each number has 2 numbers? Now let's learn how to add double-digit numbers. Adding 2-digit numbers can be easy if we break it down. There are 2 easy steps to follow. Step 1, add the numbers in the ones place. Step 2, add the numbers in the tens place. That's it, in 2 easy steps you can add double-digit numbers. For example, let's add 13 plus 24. First, look only at the ones column. You can cover up the other column with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Be sure to write our answer 7 on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens side. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 37. 13 plus 24 equals 37. Let's practice. Here we have 15 plus 12. First, look only at the ones column. Cover up the other side. In the ones column, we have 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. We will write our answer, 7, on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look at the tens side. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so let's write 2 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 27. 15 plus 12 equals 27. Here we have 22 plus 13. First, look only at the ones column. Cover up the other side with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's write our answer, 5, on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens side. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 35. 22 plus 13 equals 35. Now we have the question 35 plus 10. Let's look only at the ones column first. Cover up the other side and pay attention to only the ones column. In the ones column, we have 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 stays the same because there is nothing to add to it when the other number is 0. Let's write our answer, 5, on the bottom of the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens column. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, so let's write 4 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 45. 35 plus 10 equals 45. For our next question we have 73 plus 23. Look at the ones column. Remember to cover up the other side and only focus on the ones column. In the ones column, we have 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Our answer, 6, goes on the bottom on the ones side. Now, let's look only at the tens side. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equals 9, so let's write 9 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 96. 73 plus 23 equals 96. Great job! Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.